Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, I'm gonna do now go turn some cornmeal guys. Yes, some bad ton cornmeal guys. A long time I eat some ton cornmeal. So guys, this evening I'm gonna do I go turn some cornmeal and I go curry some chicken wings guys. As you can see, this are my chicken wings. You understand what I did? So now I make it go and out guys. So watch your badness guys. See me cornmeal. Yeah, so I'm gonna do now. I go light up the stove. Put the pot on fire and make a swag go on in the kitchen guys. So ton cornmeal, curry chicken wings guys. We soon come back. So guys, as you can see in the sink, the chicken wings. You understand what I did? So now we cut up the chicken wings guys. Some curry chicken wings. Curry chicken wings with ton cornmeal guys. Be about this. Guys, my chicken not even thaw good. But you don't know. Be about this in the kitchen. Guys, some bad curry chicken wings with ton cornmeal. Believe that guys. Yeah guys, so I go on and I pack this some chicken wings. You understand what I did, yeah? So guys, some bad curry chicken wings guys. Leave that guys, we soon come back. Yeah guys, as you can see, now season up the chicken wings. Guys, you ever cook curry and use a cock soup in it before? Or the chicken noodle, I would them call it. You ever use a chicken noodle inside curry? Guys, I go try it, but I'm not ready yet. I now go do it in another video, yeah. I go do it in our next video. I go curry some fish. I go get some fish and curry the fish with the chicken noodle, guys. Believe that, guys. Just look out for that video there, guys. I want to look out for that video there. The curry and the chicken noodle. You even can cook it with your chicken like you cook curry chicken. You can show your noodle and the curry chicken. Said you guys, it's bad. Believe that. A lot of people don't know them style, guys. So I want to follow up my video them. Subscribe to the channel. You understand me? Click the notification bell as a video drop, guys. Have it. Guys, I be about this night kitchen. So guys, now let me chicken go and marinate. You understand me? So what I'm going to do now, I go put on the pot. I light up the stove for me cornmeal. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so see my water and I'm gonna light up the stove and I'm gonna see what going. Guys, want to know watch the video, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell as a video drop guys. You have it. You understand all this and guys want to share up the video guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I cut up some seasoning in the meantime. What I go do guys, before I finish cut up the season, I go put in my cornmeal, the oval. So guys, I go use a coconut powder. As you can see over here, so guys, chicken up on fire. Don't know the badness. Guys, a be a badness. Believe that guys, be a badness. So guys, I will train the cornmeal. Put some salt in the pot. Turn cornmeal guys. If you can't turn cornmeal, watch me. Guys, some people call it cuckoo, but in Jamaican we call it ton cornmeal. Otherwise, blue jaws. No, this is not blue jar, this is turn cornmeal. Some people call it dukuna. Antiguan people call it dukuna. Jamaican people say turn cornmeal. And in Grenada, we say cuckoo. Yeah guys, so be a badness in the kitchen, soon come back. I go sort out my chicken patch now guys, over, yeah. Yeah guys, so I focus on my chicken wings now. Don't know the badness stuff. Let my chicken go and cook guys, so in the meantime, I go finish cut up my ground season guys. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look and my turned cornmeal and curry chicken wings, guys. Soon come back. Guys, watching our kitchen. See that, guys? If you can't turn cornmeal, you cannot cook. Give me. Alright. Tell you again. If you cannot turn cornmeal, guys, you cannot cook. Give me. Remember me tell you. Guys, want to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, guys, this is my turn cornmeal. Otherwise, cocoa. Otherwise, tokuna. Guys, you want to soak the overs. So guys, now making going to soak. My chicken a cook, guys, so everything is going good in the kitchen. You don't know the badness. Guys, I'm going to cook, I have some lentil peas. Then I'm going to throw in my curry chicken. Yeah, guys, the badness. Not too much, guys. Not too much lentil peas. Just small amount. Guys, you see badness in our pot curry chicken, guys. Yeah. I got show in the season them and now I'm gonna see what I want. Yeah, guys, so ground season in a pot now. Guys, I make this one steam down, simmer down, your overs. Curry chicken with the lentil peas, guys. And some bad ton cornmeal. Guys, I soon come back. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. When it's in the plate. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a ton cornmeal and curry chicken wings, guys. Guys, I'm out. See you in our next video, guys.